Hi guys, good morning. It's Monday morning and it is currently 11:30 a.m. We woke up a little late today. I didn't go to the gym because कल सोते सोते बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो गया था and also आज mom घर पे नहीं है. That's why I just thought that I'll just be at home. We have all woken up abhi. We are just having some coffee. Today is a work day. अभी थोड़ी देर में काम करने बैठना है. there's a lot that needs to be done. Miru is also here playing and DB is sitting right here. We are just all chilling और हम लोग सोच रहे हैं we'll start a page for Mira, like an Instagram page for Mira, where we'll put like all her stuff, like all her stuff as in all the pictures and the videos that we have, like the good ones of course, बचपन से जो लिए हुए हैं. So let's see how that works out, and if that works out I will let you know obviously in this vlog itself, and you can maybe go and follow her out because कल मुझे ये realize हुआ, you will see in the weekend vlog also, I think when we were with the family and she was uh, doing all the things that we were asking her to do, in the sense show me your nose, this that, I just realized that she is quite smart, and she will pull this off. So I don't know, I'm not able to put it correctly, but I just think that there are some kids who are like very smart, so she is one of those. So that's the reason I just wanted to showcase her talent, and she's so cute also, so that's why. So anyways, we are thinking of doing that. Let's see. And yeah, it's going to be quite a simple vlog, this one, because it's going to be work week. It's just hi, it's just going to be work and business as usual. So let's go. लल्लू, लल्लू है ना तू, लल्लू है ना तू, लल्लू है ना तू. Okay, hi Teddy. Are you able? Hi Teddy. Hi Teddy. Bye guys. Hi guys. And last night we watched this movie called Obsession. Oh my god, it was like so creepy. It was very hooking, but बहुत ही ज़्यादा creepy और kind of weird था. There was a scene where I just literally pounced off my chair and like just screamed. So it was quite weird and crazy था थोड़ा. Anyway, so yeah, let's go get the day started. Just look at my halat. This is my real halat. पूरा प्लेट किसने फिनिश किया गुगू? गुड जॉब. Say wow. Thank you. Good job. Guys, it is after some time. मैं इतने देर से काम कर रही थी and क्या हुआ? She is crying for some reason. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? और बाय द वे मैंने मीरा का पेज बना दिया है and she has already got so much love on her first post. I've just posted one photo of her. Come. Come. Yay! I've posted only one picture of her and she has got like 33 followers. What happened? What do you want? More? What more? Okay, so मैं इतने देर से काम कर रही थी and what I'm going to do right now is, because I'm trying to increase my protein intake, so अभी मैं बनाने वाली हूँ like I'm going to fry eggs for myself and थोड़ा सब्जी रोटी, basically trying to reduce my carbs intake and increase protein intake. So yeah, that's the plan for now. Why so creepy?
Why so horny?
Creepy Bhagat. You want this? Okay, wait. You sit here, Gugu. I'll give. Sit here.
You want dal?
Yes. Yes, please. Here. तो कल हम लोग वो जो फंक्शन में गए थे वहाँ पर डीबी गॉट दिस इज लाइक, क्या बोलते हैं इसको हम लोग मराठी में, इसको अनारसे बोलते हैं। तो ये वहाँ पर मिला था उसको बहुत सारा, सो या मीरू लाइक
मिला नहीं था, दिया गया था।
दिया गया था, मतलब वो जमाई को देना होता है, जमाई का। एनीवेज या सो शी इज ईटिंग दैट। लेट्स फ्राई सम एग्स।
चिरोटे जैसा क्यों लग रहा है मुझे?
व्हाट इज चिरोटे?
अभी वो
ओके गाइज, यू आर स्टक ऑन अ वॉल राइट नाउ। सो ये है मेरा पैन। आई एम गोइंग टू मेक दिस। एक रेसिपी मैंने देखा था, इट्स वेरी सिंपल। बेसिकली यू मेक एग्स इन चिली ऑयल, बट देन देयर इज अ कैच, यू ऑल्सो पुट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ मोज़रेला चीज, बट मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं डालने वाली हूँ, थोड़ा सा ही डालने वाली हूँ। सो लेट्स सी। दिस इज द फाइनल लुक। आई मीन डोंट गो ऑन द पैन, बट बहुत टेस्टी लगता है ये। यू शुड डेफिनेटली ट्राई इट। इज बेसिकली वेरी सिंपल। चिली ऑयल, थोड़ा सा हनी, थोड़ा सा मोज़रेला चीज, देन पुट एग्स इन इट एंड देन उसमें पेपर एंड सॉल्ट डाल दो ऊपर से। एंड इफ यू हैव स्प्रिंग ऑनियंस डू पुट इन दैट ऑल्सो। आई डोंट हैव इट करंटली, सो मैं नहीं ले रही। मैंने इंस्टाग्राम पे देखा था एंड इट्स अ वेरी क्विक एंड टेस्टी रेसिपी, सो डू ट्राई इट आउट एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स इफ यू ट्राइड इट आउट एंड हाउ डिड यू लाइक इट। लेट मी नो। बाय, लेट्स हैव लंच।
So for lunch we have करेला का सब्जी, roti and beautiful dal. I'm gonna take some of it for me, for sure. Miru is eating. Miru, what are you eating? Woody, what are you eating?
Guys, this is our lunch and हम लोग आज स्टडी रूम में बैठ के लंच कर रहे हैं बिकॉज यहीं पर एसी चल रहा है एंड इट्स क्वाइट चिल्ड यहाँ पर, अदरवाइज बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो रही है। सो व्हाट, एनीवेज लेट्स डिग इन। इट इज़ आफ्टर सम टाइम और मैं थोड़ा स्लोली बात कर रही हूँ बिकॉज मीरा इज स्लीपिंग इनसाइड एंड अभी मैंने, यू कैन सी मी होल्डिंग द स्ट्रॉ। सो मैंने अभी एक मस्त कॉफ़ी बनाई है। वी गॉट लाइक कॉफ़ी बीन्स और ground coffee actually from Vietnam, and I have to show you. I have been ever since trying to nail the salt coffee, condensed milk और froth वगैरह यूज़ करके, and मैंने अभी एक कॉफ़ी बनाई है। Let me show you the glass. I just wanted to experiment first and then show it to you. So just see how beautiful this looks. Okay guys, just look at this. I don't know. And मैंने ये फ्रेंच प्रेस मशीन में बनाई है इसको एंड दिस इज़ हाउ इट लुक्स। आई एम जस्ट स्टरिंग इट राइट नाउ एंड देन लेट्स हैव अ टेस्ट टेस्ट। टाइम फॉर द टेस्ट टेस्ट। वाओ, सो गुड। हे गाइस, हाय, इट इज़ आफ्टर सम टाइम। मैं अभी भी काम कर रही हूँ यार, इट्स अ मंडे। सो या अभी कुछ भेजना था इम्पोर्टेंट, सो दैट इज़ डन। और हम लोग ने एक रील भी शूट किया। इट्स अ फन रील दैट मी एंड डीबी शॉट एंड ही ऑल्सो शॉट फॉर हिज चैनल, हिज इंस्टाग्राम चैनल। डीबी से हाय। फॉर हिज इंस्टाग्राम चैनल हमने आज काफ़ी प्रोडक्टिव था वैसा देखा जाए तो। वी created Miru's channel, we posted for Miru's channel, sorry, Instagram account actually. Then we shot a video, just a couple funny video for my YouTube channel, and then DB shot a video for his Instagram. मैंने अपना पर्सनल Instagram के लिए अभी तक कुछ नहीं हुआ। हाँ यार, सीन हो गया। तूने वो वायर इंसर्ट नहीं किया था ठीक से, तो बेसिकली उसके साथ एक फ्लॉप हो गया। ही शॉट द होल वीडियो बट उसका ऑडियो आया ही नहीं उस क्लिप्स में रादर। तो नाउ आई थिंक ही हैव टू डू द एंटायर वीडियो ऑल ओवर अगेन। So yeah, that's very sad, but that's part and parcel of content creation. ऐसे ही होता है, कुछ ना कुछ टेक्निकल ग्लिच हो जाता है, एंड देन स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग ऑल्सो फुल टाइम, it becomes a challenge. Anyways, but I'm glad I'm back to vlogging, and at least I've started something rather than just not doing anything. So yeah, please support me also, guys. Anyways, now I think I'm going to work for some time, then have dinner, and like it's going to be a normal day. Tomorrow I'm going to go to the gym though, क्योंकि आज भी मैं नहीं गई थी. So yeah, tomorrow is going to be quite a productive day.
टेडी उसको भौंक रहा है वो बता रही है
चलो.
Tomorrow.
Good morning, guys. It's the next day. So it is currently 9:45 a.m. right now. It is Tuesday. मैंने अभी कॉफ़ी फिनिश की है. आई एम ऑलमोस्ट रेडी. सिर्फ बाल थोड़े वो करने बाकी है, एंड आई एम इन माई जिम क्लोथ्स राइट नाउ. आई एम गोइंग टू गो हेड आउट. आई एम गेटिंग वेरी लेट, तो इसीलिए मैंने कुछ शूट नहीं किया. आई वॉज जस्ट एडिटिंग अ रील फॉर मीरूज चैनल, एंड देन आई वॉज ऑल्सो रिव्यूइंग माई ओन चैनल के लिए एक मिनी ब्लॉग. सो वो सब मैं कर रही थी, उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम चला गया. आई वोक अप एट अराउंड 8:30 a.m. आई थिंक, एंड एवर सिंस देन आई हैव बिन वर्किंग और डूइंग समथिंग और समथिंग. अभी मैं यहाँ पर खड़े रह के बात कर रही हूँ बिकॉज मैंने फ़ोन अभी चार्जिंग पे रखा हुआ है. देयर इज़ नो बैटरी इन द फोन. आई नीड टू रश right now, and then go to the gym and then start the day, because कल भी मैं gym नहीं गई थी like I told you, and then मुझे बहुत weird feel होता है in my mind, so that's why. Anyways, चलो let's go to the gym and then carry on with the day from there. So let's go. गाइस, कैचिंग अप आफ्टर सम टाइम. अभी मैं उठी हूँ, जस्ट मतलब ब्रेक लिया है फॉर लंच, एंड फॉर लंच आई एम हैविंग भुर्जी, लाइक द स्क्रैम्बल्ड एग्स जो कल मैंने बताया था, द चिली ऑयल वाला. आई ऑल्सो पुट टुडे आई पुट स्प्रिंग अनियन, थोड़ा सा आमरस है. आई हैव रोटी, 1.5 रोटी, दाल एंड सब्जी. सो साइड्स वाली चीज़ें आई एम गोइंग टू ईट मोर, एंड कार्ब्स आई एम गोइंग टू लिमिट. आई नो दिस इज़ अ गिल्टी प्लेजर, आमरस, बट ठीक है यार, सीजन है, आई वॉन्ट टू हैव इट. एंड ऑल्सो फॉर माई मूवी, लाइक माई शो, फॉर माई लंच, आई एम वॉचिंग दिस शो कॉल्ड यंगर. ये मुझे ऐसे ही सोशल मीडिया पे मिला था, एंड सो आई हैव बिन वॉचिंग दैट फॉर सम टाइम. एंड ऐसे ही टाइम पास वाला शो है. इट्स नथिंग लाइक वाव और एनीथिंग, बट या इट्स अ गुड वॉच इफ यू वॉन्ट टू लाइक कैजुअली वॉच समथिंग. सो या, लेट्स गो हैव लंच एंड देन कंटिन्यू विथ वर्क.
Tomorrow.
Bangles? Can you wear bangles and show? देखो ना बेटा, देखो. वाह, so cute. लाल लाल कलरची बांगडी, बांगडीचा कलर लाल. हाय गाइस, गुड इवनिंग. इट्स अ वेडनेसडे. आज मैंने बिल्कुल भी व्लॉग नहीं किया है, बट या इट इज़ इवनिंग टाइम राइट नाउ. हम लोग वॉक पे निकले हैं. आई एम जस्ट हियर विथ मॉम, टेडी एंड मीरा. तो बेसिकली आज कुछ किया ही नहीं. आई हैड ब्रेकफास्ट, आई थिंक वो वाला क्लिप आपने देखा, एंड देन इट वॉज जस्ट अ चिल डे. आज मैंने वैसे सिक लीव भी लिया बिकॉज आई एम नॉट फीलिंग लाइक अप टू द मार्क. थोड़ा सा वो हो रहा था, लाइक अंडर द वेदर टाइप्स, इसके लिए मैंने आज सिक लीव ली थी. एनीवेज अभी तो कुछ प्लान नहीं है आज. सो टुमारो DB's mom and dad are going to come, so very excited for that. So let's see what happens. We are going to go somewhere also over the weekend, but very excited to kind of Meera to meet her dada dadi. So that is going to be fun. वो लोग अर्ली मॉर्निंग आ जाएंगे. तो टुडे like tonight we might sleep off early because सुबह they'll come early in the morning, and also मुझे जिम जाना है. आज मैं जिम नहीं गई थी. So yeah, I know it's bad, like 2 days a week मैं गई नहीं अभी, but it's okay, I'll go tomorrow. And yeah, so let's go. कौन आया है? Can you say hi? Say hi to Dada. Hi. Hi. Wow. नहीं, टेढ़ी हो गई है वो. आराम से बेटा. Hi guys, so I'm talking on the mic because it has been super duper hot like since the past few days, and such में I just came out of the shower, but it's still like so freaking hot. I just can't do without like full speed fan and AC together. Anyways, today is Thursday and I went to the gym. I think you saw the clips. घर पे आके थोड़ा बहुत वो किया. Meeru's grandparents are here, so that's fun. So she's having a lot of fun with them. So you must have seen a little bit of clips. Now it is currently 12:45 and मैं अभी अपना काम शुरू करने वाली. I'm just doing my skincare. So I just wanted to quickly show you something. Like I've been using this Asaya Advanced spot targeting serum and I have been like loving it. I don't know if you all can tell. I mean, I definitely can. But my dark spots, like pigmentation, has reduced like intensely, like a lot basically. And I was so surprised to see the results. So it's not a sponsored thing or anything, but I genuinely love what it has been doing to my skin. And I have switched it up a little bit. Like I have switched up my skincare a little bit. So I could notice during the last month that I was getting a lot of pores around this area. Like there's very less right now, but I could see a lot of pores. So what I did is I also got this toner which I forgot to apply just now. I should have, but it's okay. This is the polyhydroxy acid toner by Minimalist, and this also has been working superbly well for my skin. I don't know, it was like I just searched pore minimizing toner and then this just popped up and I just picked it up. And it's been working so great. I can actually see the difference, and this is not sponsored in any ways, but yeah, my new skincare has been working. So this serum also kind of influenced me into buying their pigmentation cream also. So this is the moisturizer that I have been using, and theek hi hai, matlab it's not like wow or anything. I think it's helping me, but I'm not sure. I think it's the serum that's more like good than the moisturizer. So yeah, these are the things that I have been using. And also I think I forgot to show you my latest sunscreen. So I have two currently. So this is the one from Clayco that I got, and I got this last month before I went to my like annual family trip to Vietnam. I bought it and I liked it very much. But then this month I got a collaboration with Dalva, and they sent two sunscreens basically, and this is the one that I have been liking. I use it. It's a little sticky for me, but it's very nice otherwise. But more or less I've been using the Clayco one because it is like sweat and water resistant also, if I am not wrong. So I wear it to the gym also in the morning. So yeah, I'm going to be using these products for some more time, and then I'm going to see like what is working out how. And I am not forgetting my Dalba serum spray. This I generally spritz on my face in the morning when I go to the gym, and I just put on sunscreen after this. I don't put any heavy stuff on my face because first of all मेरे पास time नहीं होता इतना ज़्यादा, already मेरे को late होता रहता है हमेशा, and second of all I want basically my skin to breathe when I'm working out and not be clogged up. Anyways, this was a very long rant, so I just wanted to say hi because I have not spoken to the camera today. So I'm going to go ahead and start working like in some time, not immediately, at 1:30ish. So yeah, let's get the day started. Bye. Hi guys, good morning. It is a Friday morning and it is currently 8:45 a.m. मैं थोड़ी देर पहले उठी थी and I dropped my mom like near to the rickshaw stand. And pretty much I have been sitting here. मैंने चाय भी बनाई, so I'm having my cup of chai and I have my book with me right here. This is an amazing book that I have been reading. It's called Paranoia and it's by James Patterson. And ये fiction book है. It's about crime thriller. Anyways, I won't give much away of the book. It's a very nice book. So if you love this genre of crime thrillers or of books, you'll end up loving this book. I'm halfway through it, I think, a little less than halfway, but I've been loving it so far. Anyways, right now I'm just sitting while I have my chai. I thought I'll do some reading, and after this I'm going to go to the gym. So I have to get ready also. So as you can see, I'm dressed for the gym. I have my clothes right here. I have to get ready. So yeah, that's the plan for Friday. There's nothing much planned because obviously it's a working day, and as you know, Fridays are super duper hectic. So I have I think I have 5 or 6 calls today, and I'm not even exaggerating. I wish I was, but I have 5 to 6 calls, and then it's going to be just a normal work day. So I'm going to merge this one also with the weekly one, and probably tomorrow and day after, like Saturday and Sunday, we all are going out. Like we're just going on a short getaway because DB's parents are also here, so it's going to be a lot of fun. We have booked a place nearby. I mean, I don't know exactly if it has been booked or not. I have to check with DB because it was so last moment. Anyways, but we will end up doing something. So yeah, so let's get the day started. Let's go to the gym and take it on from there. I hope you all are finding this week in my life video to your liking, and you can relate with this. I think I've said this many times, but है ना, मैं भी देखती रहती हूँ लोगों के videos week in my life. I'm very candid ones, okay? And मुझे ना उसमें से थोड़ा inspiration मिलता है. Like you are not the only one who's going through stuff and doing things on such a timeline or such tight deadlines or whatever. It just feels good to connect or relate yourself with someone else. So yeah, that's the reason I love vlogging, and I do want to be regular at it. I'm saying this on camera, which means I hope I hold myself accountable. Anyways, let's just go and get the day started.